Okay, start na ako.
Alright.
Bulak isang palaban rin.
Okay, sige.
Saan na ako daan sana? Sig.
Nasabi mo kalaban, Sig.
Eh, yan ang palaban.
I have 40 cards, 15 side, 15 extra.
Sige, sige. Same.
We are the opposite of one another in terms of sleeps. Yes.
Bitaw na.
Oh, diba? Perfect. Let's go, dice roll. 1, 2, 3, shoot! Okay, I go
I'll use
first.
the dice roll.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do this.
I won.
Draw face, standby face, main.
Wait. Ready naman tayo?
Ay, timer, sorry.
Wala pa. Pero pwede na ito start. Cut na lang
Si Ray na dalawang palaban. Wala nila.
Yes. Okay.
Alam nga, permit din si Kalambin. Kailan nakapads? Kamu permit first game? Oo. Pero may mag-display.
Sige. Kaya na guys. Sige, sugalan ako.
Kaya lang tayo sa 8.
Or
Okay, let's do this. Draw.
standby. Anything?
Parang kung ito itong Ichisar ba? Nalakay Castos to kay Acherono, di ba?
Draw face.
What does that do?
Special summon from the deck,
What?
the Genesis.
Okay.
Tapos during the end phase, and the next end phase, it gets destroyed.
Okay, good.
The next end phase.
So, end phase ako.
Tapos I cannot use my extra deck until the next end phase. Sorry, wag to.
Water.
Si this guy. Si Searcher.
Okay.
Because effect upon someone, during the draw phase pa to. I'm going to avoid draw. Effect to add.
No response. Water. Mga negate na.
Yes. Standby,
No response.
okay, main phase,
Your thing rolled.
special,
Special.
tapos I activate, medium.
Hindi man cause ang send na. You got your set from Gloyd na?
Huh?
You got your set from Gloyd na?
Hindi, no. Still may gap.
Okay.
15.
No response.
Until the end of next turn, nandun sa kuha.
This shit na.
Easier.
No response.
Tapos effect of Garura in the graveyard.
No response.
Draw one card.
Effect.
Normal summon, we choose effect to add. Good.
No response.
I add Ecclesia. Ecclesia for the list. And turn go.
Drop phase. Standby. Main phase. Ang negate niya is...
Any card, spell trap or monster effect.
Okay.
Tapos, spell trap or monster activation. Send one Regenesis on the field or on the hand to the graveyard. Para sure tayo. Sage.
So if you sync
When your opponent activates, activates a card or effect siya.
So, negate activation siya.
Negate the activation if you do destroy.
Gotcha.
Ano ka pulos niya?
Normal summon.
Kato mo ito na.
Normal summon na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go.
Hayate.
Hayate. Ano effect ni Hayate?
Makadrag attack siya. Then, on damage step, I can send a spell from my From my deck to graveyard.
Okay.
Entering battle, declaring dark attack.
This yun.
Targeting siya, no?
Basta na-meet lang ang condition na masamon siya, then mag-target siya to negate.
Sige.
Special, then
Okay. So, dili ko ka dark attack then. Then, di ko mo, ano? Kailan na pwede na?
2-5 tanan.
5 tanan. Do I go for it? That's the big question right now. Ay, di dahil. Nagititagi ako ng effects. Sige. Stop akong battle. Linkage. Mag-send ko card to the graveyard. Summon ko Sky Striker monster from to the extra monsters.
Okay.
So negate and destroy. Negate and banish.
destroy.
Okay. So round 2.
So pwede siya.
Pwede siya once per turn.
Ilan? Summon, no?
Yeah, from extra deck. And
Oh,
dapat
so-
delete.
Um,
Send is delete cost.
So kung mawala tong masend, kung wala tong masend mo, mag-fizzle siya.
Yes, kaya dapat mag-send ko from field. Pinatak.
Pila na? 1-5 no?
1-5.
1-5.
Okay. Sige.
First effect, draw 1. Shuffle. Shuffle na mo no?
Nang search ko ka?
Na-search ko kanina.
then,
Shuffle lang.
okay na.
Nagito.
Sige. Main phase 2. Since I have no more monster, thanks to you. Fan cards. Hello. City Thrust.
During the battle.
Dili.
During the main.
During the start man daw. Akong
Dili siya main phase di ay. Mas activate mas reflect during this turn di ay siya. Okay, go.
Meet my best friend. Actually, I don't know which one's my best friend in this situation. You know what? Let's go for the usual best friend.
Engage. Ano yung turn?
Engage. I have three spells I can draw next.
Ano yan no?
Search ko Sky Striker card. Then if I have 3 spells in graveyard, upon resolution, draw 1.
Negate.
You have a 2/5? Yes, you do.
Yes, I do. Sige. Makat ko. Pass. End phase, back to hand.
Uh,
During the end phase, magano ka? Fine. Alaman ka. Okay, draw. Standby.
Okie-dokie.
Main phase.
Okay.
Wow.
So, stuck na siya dyan.
Yeah, it's stuck there.
Hosto. Pila.
Banish by 6.
No response.
No response. Good. Okay. Draw standby. Well, that's main phase.
Main phase na yun, yes.
Sorry. Special.
Next game. Alright, I thought I got you there.
You thought so. You thought. Evil guy. You thought.
Main phase or battle phase. Pwede ko mag-make red.
Vanish looks like that.
Once after, makabanish ko.
Make effect on attribute, segregate yourself, banish to spectrum.
Wizard Walker. Target ko monster sa field. Then, banish ko. Matap na rin ang i-banish kayo. Mabus sa...
Dili sa mga both players sa
Tapos kung ang i-banish kayo,
both players na kung nakita 5 na attack or
boost out 900. FX boost.
Effect Mr.
Pwede ko mag-banish minus square from 9 to
Count mine.
yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
tungkol sa trap din sila mga pero destroy na.
Oh, mother.
Our decks go to different speeds. Our duels go different speeds. Sometimes we spend the whole game 1, and then we just rush game 2.
Yes.
Second is, ako monsters is, kaduma ko yung mga third effect niya is,
I go first.
Brigade effect niya, banish na ko siya, search ko for the then place one card.
Draw face.
Let's see. Sige, sige.
Banish as bringer.
Set 1. Linkage. Send gold card and then I special summon monster from the extra deck to the extra deck. And lock na ko the Sky Striker na extra deck.
Sige, go.
Set.
So, makadraw ko na?
Yes, you draw 1.
Yay!
Hurrah! Let's motherfucking go!
Okay. Yeah.
Effect.
Effect is...
Add ko Sky Striker spell from deck.
I should really put draw and lock with this. I should have really put draw and lock with. Okay, engage, go.
Activate. Let's double check it.
Decoder.
Sky Striker.
Pag material siya for use sa king monster yung game na
First effect niya is
Yep, I did not cheat. Okay, so engage. Anything?
second effect niya,
Hello, Father. I am saying...
third effect is never na mag-pay kong life points, hindi ko mag-pay. Bigger effect, banish na ko siya, reveal ko more than 9 cards.
Questioning. There's so many things that can happen. This one. Limnus Gate. Effect. I can return a Sky Striker Ace and a spell. from graveyard
To deck.
to deck. Then for each 3 I shuffle, I bounce 1 card.
Okay. It's a quick.
Yes. And dapat the ace and the spell should be same number.
Okay. So, dalawa sa kunwari isa sa
Like
field.
isa ka ace and dapat isang spell. Should be 2, 2, 3, 3, ganyan. Set 1. Faster.
And turn.
Yes.
Ang yung pinaka-ordinary.
Draw, standby. Main. Draw face.
Draw face.
Draw face, standby face, main face.
Okay.
Special.
On rest.
Maxi chain.
You summon from deck.
From the deck.
Okay. Dapat Regenesis ka?
Regenesis card ang yung graveyard.
On resolution, attack tribute to SS from deck or graveyard. Rosen. Sorry. You do
Maka-chain 3 ko, no?
sorry, command name, third priority, but dapat ka mauna.
Chain, bali...
Ikaw sa una.
Wait lang, tanong ako. Kaya naman ito siya, if quick ni siya, so makahapon din siya, isang chain 3 siya, di ba? So, effect, then effect. Effect ito kayo, magtanggal ko card sa ibang,
Ay! Dili siya win?
Ano na siya?
Pinaka-1 siya.
Naruhan ako.
Ano sa kamon sa when will you do this?
Upon resolution ni siya later tanin.
Okay.
Sorry. Kasi Kashtara, if you control blah blah blah, you can add when his card declares ng tower, opponent activates a monster effect. So, not necessarily mag-resolve, it just activates. Later pa din din. But
Si
this,
kani.
so kani dun siya dapat ang when you cancel.
Okay.
Indicate, destroy. Tapos,
Tribute mo ang cost. So, yeah.
Cause effect, ganun sa extra deck.
Sa extra deck.
Then I banish one. Honestly, wala akong nalipayan yung extra deck, but...
Just pick your poison. Ay, face up, face down.
Ay?
Face down niya?
Face down yata na si Kashtira?
Face down.
Okay, no. Tapos... I enter battle phase.
Okay, go.
Enter the battle phase, 2-5.
Deck.
Then 2-5 again.
Deck.
Then I end my turn.
And face?
Go. S nga sa balik.
Isa lang po siya.
Ang matutong once per
Ay.
turn lang.
Once per turn lang po siya
Akala ko on the field siya.
Ay, kasi pag-ultikan
Ah. Hindi, return ko lang pag naman.
Okay.
Tapos return.
Basically, recycle siya.
Yeah.
Effect, Lagyan ako siya o siya. Pin mo siya dito. Add ko.
Go.
Your face. Standby.
Siya.
Main face.
Go. Harp dust.
Then add.
Lang when you game shit. Gani. Harp dust ba yun? Wala yun, no?
Bagay dyan kasi mo lang deck ni Morol.
Lingaw siya.
Kay na-asel sa
Kasi God.
says no. God says
No, Jojo.
no.
God says no.
Wala na dyan gawin sa roll. Cosplay.
Buka, what if?
Costume, what if?
Okay, enter. Just ready. Mouse and face. Ano na?
Okay.
Guro.
Standby.
Okay.
Wait lang. Let me just get this right. Regen SSH. Regen SSH. Yan yung masamon.
Hindi na ako masamon si Sage. Okay. His turn. Okay. Banish yung as many as possible. Six
Up
or
to 6. Clear 6, clear 6. Wala bag doon?
Okay, banishing 6. Good.
Surely now I might know something good. Isa pa.
Actually, I can start looping.
You could be a nice guy and give me the...
Bawal lang mag-roll, diba? Bawal lang mag-roll, diba? Pero at least, tapos may half akong damage.
Half with the damage.
Okay. Activate Regenesis.
May I read before you continue?
I add a Regenesis monster.
Okay.
Okay, so I add Regenesis monster. I add Social Battle.
Wait lang. Sige, wala ko yung response sa ad.
Okay. I show you Sage to special summon.
Sige.
Tapos I add a monster.
Full dark, hindi ko makasamon.
Hindi ka makasama ng dark. Pwede na sa third, pati ako.
Special summon. Then, negated ice.
Hindi
negated effects. Special ang ginaya, sa lang yan, no?
Hindi siya ka-special summon.
Can you summon it?
I can summon it by by banishing one face up sa field ako.
Okay.
I banish this to special summon. Tapos I activate the effect of this card, banish to summon from the banish zone.
Oh, okay.
Tapos piercing 5,000 attack.
Okay, at least.
Boys!
Pangit ako nga, for some reason. You stopping engage really hurt.
Yes, that's the ano. Nakita ko, engage no!
Balik siya sa mag-minus
I will not allow this wedding. Pero gwapo na.
Yes. Pilato ka ba? Ba? No? Shit! Engage ako next draw.
Sayang.
Ano man na special?
Nanigawas ako side deck pero I'm thinking... Yeah. Hey!
Then that's all. I wanna see if I can actually win a game.
Game 3.
Yeah, why not? I mean,
Sa ito.
Hello, mother.
go at the
Target. Muna yung special.
Warren, no? I don't know why. I really don't know why. Nagdula din siya last week. Nagdula siya last week.
Sino gani? Solo level in June ko gani.
Asa?
Nakita ko build ngayon na. Kabalo ko sa akin.
Ang saan?
Orichalcos.
Yeah, I keep asking about that. Never understand why.
Ang main weakness ng Genesis is 2.5 rin nilang attack. Tapos, Orichalcos gives you a 500 boost.
Pero original attack man kaya ang basis lang or Genesis?
Yung ganun. So you can still do your shenanigans. You gain 500, so you have 3,000 attack monsters. Then effect ng Orichalcos is, opponent tina-target for effects or attack, lowest attack.
Side out na ka ron? Side out na ka?
Ipalo mo na ito, ibigay mo naman ito. Ipalo na ito.
Mas kaya?
Start na lang 5 meters.